Is 6.3% greater than 4.8%? 3 common A/B split testing blind spots. From early life in school, we learn how to count in ascending order and determine which numbers are higher than others. However, the same concept does not necessarily apply with A/B split testing. Common mistakes when analyzing A/B split test results may be costing companies thousands of dollars in lost revenue. Statistically speaking, 6.3% is not necessarily greater than 4.8%. Suppose you sent the same email with 2 different subject lines to 2,000 people or 1,000 each. Version A had a 4.8% click-through rate while version B had 6.3%. Marketers could incorrectly conclude that subject line B is the winner while generating a 31% lift or increase in clicks. I will explain below why this is incorrect with 3 concepts. Variability is ever present in digital marketing. For instance, landing pages do not have the same conversion rate or number of visitors every day. There are always a few low and high-performing days and a lot of average days. This phenomenon is typically shown with normal curves, tall in the middle due to the large number of average days and short at the ends with uncharacteristically high and low-performing days. Let's go back to the email example introduced above. Despite having an average of 4.8%, email version A had a click-through rate as low as 1.8% and as high as 8.2%. Similarly, version B performed as low as 3.5% and as high as 9%. Due to variability, you can see that there was a large overlap, 1.8 to 8.2% versus 3.5 to 9.0%. Therefore, despite having a lower average, version A had better performance than version B a significant number of days, rendering this A/B split test inconclusive. Sample size greatly matters when doing A/B split tests. By sending emails to 1,000 people, instead of only 10, better results are achieved. As your sample size increases, the shape of the normal curve becomes taller and skinnier as you get many more average days with respect to the top/bottom performing days. Confidence level is an estimation of how likely results are to repeat if the same A/B split test is repeated. In the email example, we had a large overlap between the normal curves of both versions. However, if we were to send the messages to 10,000 people instead of 1,000, both normal curves get taller and skinnier, reducing the overlap between the two. Hence, the proportion of days that version A beats version B is much smaller and you get a higher confidence level that version B would win again if the A/B split test were to be repeated. Sample charts. In conclusion, to properly analyze results from A/B split tests, marketers need to take into account these 3 concepts. Otherwise, A/B split testers could be incorrectly declaring winners and depriving their companies of significant revenue. There are easy-to-use tools available online that navigate around these blind spots. Make sure you use them before making decisions or presenting results. Simply go to your preferred search engine and look for 2 proportion C test calculator.